أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله ثم الصلاة والسلام على نبي بعده وعلى آله وأصحابه ومن والاه. This is Al-Hashimi Institute for Quranic Memorization and Islamic and Arabic Studies. It is called ICMAS. Inshallah Rahman, we're going to be explaining Al-HARAKAT, which is called Arabic sign today. So when we are talking about the Al-HARAKAT, Arabic sign, in Arabic, they call it هي العلامات التي توضع على الحروف العربية لتوضيح كيفية نطقها، وهي أساس في قراءة القرآن الكريم واللغة العربية بشكل صحيح. So that is what they call al-harakat in Arabic. So likewise, this harakat is something that we have known before because we have the types which they call anwa'ul al-harakat, anwa'ul al-harakat. So we they call al-fatiha, al-kasra, al-dumma, al-sukun, fatihatan, kasratan, dummatan, shadda, madda. That is all those nine are called al-harakat in Arabic. So then when we are talking about the harakat, so the harakat is we call a short vowel. A short vowel marks placed on Arabic letters to guide pronunciation. They are essential for reading Arabic correctly, especially the Quran. That is what all those are the harakat meant for. So then we are going to starting our explanation one after the other. So from the beginning, types of harakat, which is types of Arabic sign. So because al-harakat means Arabic sign, types of it now. So it started with Fatiha. With what? Fatiha. When we are talking about the Fatiha, it's a small line above the letter. A small line above the letter, which means at the top of the letter, produces a short sound. So the sound that is going to produce for us is called what? Is called what? So this for instance now, when a letter contains the Fatiha, let us say Ba Fatiha. So Ba Fatiha what? It will give us the sound of Ba, that is Ba plus it means Ba. That is Ba Fatiha, Ba. So likewise, if it is another letter, Jim plus Fatiha, which is called Jim Fatiha, it will become Ja. If it is another letter like Ta Fatiha, Ta. Sa Fatiha, Sa. Ha Fatiha, Ha. Kho Fatiha, Kho. Dal Fatiha, Da. Zal Fatiha, Za. Ro Fatiha, Ro. Zain Fatiha, Za. Sin Fatiha, Sa. So that is that about that concerning all those Fatiha. So when the Fatiha containing when we say the Fatiha on top of the letter, that is going to be giving us the sound of So likewise, and then notes is going to be above the letter. Once you see, hope you can see that example. Once they read on the bar, so you can see that small line on top of it. That is the bar. The Fatiha will be on top of the letter. So then the Kesra, which is the second Arabic sign. The first one is what? Fatiha, while the second one is Kesra. The Kesra is a small line below the letter. The Fatiha is above, while the Kesra is what? Is below. That is, the Fatiha is on top, while the Kesra is at the bottom. So that is a small line below the letter produce a short of what? E sound. That is, the sound of the Kesra will be E. Example now. So then don't forget, we said the question sign will be at the bottom of the letter. So look at this one now. Ba question. That is ba plus question. Once you see that question, you can see it at the bottom of that bar. That is ba question B. Jim question G. So likewise the other letter, once you want to try it with all those other letter, that is how you are going to uh, put all those things in practice. So like alif question E, ba question B, ta question T, sa question C, jim question G, ha question H, ho question H. That is that. So the next one is doma. Hope you can also see the doma, which is the third one. You can see the sign of that doma too. The sign. So then don't forget to master all those signs. So accordingly. So a small call above the letter. So that is small call, which they call it doma. It will be on top of the letter too. It produces a short of U sound. So that is the sound of doma now will be what? U. Will be what? Will be U. So example 2. So example is ba doma bu. Ba doma bu. So we have let you know that the sound will be U. The sound of Fatiha is A. Sound of question is E. While sound of doma is U. That is alif doma U. Ba doma bu. Ta doma tu. Sa doma su. Jim doma ju. Ha doma hu. That is that about that. Inshallah, we are stopping here for today. We will be continuing from where we stop in the next class. So inshallah Rahman, try your possible best to follow and engage our online madrasa, so Al-Hashimi Institute. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.